Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to build reports in Looker Studio from a Copper data. Okay, so first up, what you'll do is just go ahead over to Looker Studio. Okay, and here go to the top left and click on Create. Okay, click on it. Now go ahead and click on Report. Click, wait for it to load. Now once it loads, in here, as you can see, we have a ton of Google connectors, and Copper CRM should be in here as well. So go ahead and click on Search. Now got to type down Copper. There you go. We have Copper. So click on it, wait for it, and just click on Authorize. Okay. Now there will be a pop-up right here. So just basically log in with your Copper account. Wait for it. Scroll all the way down and give the necessary permission. Again, scroll down and click on Allow. Wait for it. And there you have it. And then here, as you can see, it needs a username and token. So what we'll do is just go ahead over to Copper CRM, and then here go to the top left, click on your profile, click on integrations. Now in here in the left panel as well, we're going to want to find integrations. Okay, click on it, and here we have API keys. Click on it, and if you don't have any API key, just click on generate, and it will give you your API key. So I'm going to go ahead and copy my username. Okay, copy, paste that right here. Now I'm going to go ahead over to token, copy the token, paste that in here, and then I'm going to hit on submit. Now, if your username doesn't work, don't worry, you can just go ahead and copy the email address right here. Okay, now in here we have the record type. Just click on the drop down and go ahead and select the specific record type. Okay, it could be projects. Now go ahead and go to the bottom right, click on add. Right here, click on it. Wait for it. And as you can see here, it says you are about to add data to this report. Just click on add the report. And once done, here you have it. Okay, here you have your data from Copper. Okay, you can go ahead and edit your data source if you want to. Right here, you can add a field, add a parameter, or filter by email. All right, and that is it. And here, let's just go ahead and click on freeform layout. There you go. If you have multiple data right here, you can just easily drag and drop. For example, the count. Okay, create a date. The name, the owner, it's up to you. Okay, but that's just basically how you do it. That is how you build reports here in Looker Studio by using your Copper data. And once you're happy with your report, you can now go ahead and click on share right here. You can go ahead and invite people to view this specific report, or get a report link, embed your report to your website, or just basically download the report. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.